Anyway, you always got on some fly blue suit. Your cufflinks are shining all bright.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really want to catch your eye. There's something special about you.
Good day, y'all. How y'all doing? I hope you all are doing well. Thank you all so much for coming through to watch another one of my videos. So I have the pleasure of working with Tinashe Hair once again. I really appreciate them for allowing me to work with them. These are the goodies that came in my package, y'all. And this is the card that came in my box. And this is the wig I have. I have a 5x5. This is their Wear and Go Glueless lace closure wig. And again, I do have a 5x5 lace closure. The texture is straight, and I have mine in a 22-inch. It does come with an elastic band, adjustable straps, and combs.
It happened on a Thursday. Oh, set my soul on fire.
So yeah, y'all, this wig can be glueless. At the end of the video, I will show y'all that it can be worn glueless, but here y'all see me using my bed head hard head spray to take my wigs down, because that's just how I prefer to wear my wigs. But this is still considered the glueless method. But if you don't want to do this or glue it down, you can just simply use the adjustable band and or the elastic band and wear it completely tag free.
Got me feeling all crazy inside. I'm feeling like,
I'm doing more than I've ever done for anyone's attention.
But my thoughts on this wig: the wig is very nice. The hair is super soft, y'all. Like, it's super soft, really, really soft. I don't know how much I can explain, but it's really, really soft. It flattened out really nicely. And yeah, I didn't have any issues with this wig, y'all. Really, I didn't. The lace on this wig was really thin, so I did like that. And I did go in and bleach my knots and pluck the hairline. The knots bleached well, and the hairline, I was able to pluck it and get it to my liking. It did come pre-plucked, but I just y'all know how I do. I go in and like to do a little bit more. But other than that, again, I did not have any issues with this wig, y'all. So if you're interested in this wig or this company, all of their information is in my description box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I love y'all so much, and thank you to Tinashe Hair for allowing me to try out this wig. I really appreciate it. Talk to you guys later.
And I swear on my mother and father, it feels like,
anyway, you always got on some fly blue suit. Your cufflinks are shining all bright.
baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really want to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys that are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind.
to me. Got me feeling all crazy inside. I'm feeling like,
I'm doing more than I've ever done for anyone's attention. Take notice of what's in front of you, cause did I mention you welcome me so good thing? And you'll never know how good it feels to have all of my affection. And you'll never get a chance to experience my loving, cause my loving feels like ooh. You don't know my name, and that's why it feels like you don't know my name. Oh, but you never know it. No, 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 no. And it feels like ooh. You don't know my name, baby, baby, I swear. It's like ooh, but you don't know my name. No, no, no. And it feels like ooh, but you don't know my name. And I swear on my mother and father, it feels like ooh,
anyway, you always got on some fly blue suit. Your cufflinks are shining all bright.
baby, baby, baby. From the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys that worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like ooh, you don't know my name. I swear, it feels like ooh, you don't know my name. Will you ever know? Oh, baby, 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 I see us on our first date. You're doing everything that makes me smile. And when we had our first kiss, it happened on a Thursday. And oh, it set my soul on fire. Oh, baby, 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 I can't wait for the first time. My imagination's running wild. Feels like ooh, you don't know my name. And I swear it, baby, feels like ooh, you don't know my name. Will you ever know?
I'm saying, he don't even know what he's doing to me. Got me feeling all crazy inside. I'm feeling like,
I'm doing more than I've ever done for anyone's attention. Take notice of what's in front of you, cause did I mention you welcome me so good thing? And you'll never know how good it feels to have all of my affection. And you'll never get a chance to experience my loving, cause my loving feels like ooh, you don't know my name. And that's why it feels like ooh, you don't know my name. Oh, but you never know it. No, 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 no. And it feels like